Dubai Desert Safari, Quad Bike, Camel Ride and Sandboarding. Experience the wonders of the Lahbab Desert on a private safari from Dubai. Enjoy thrilling dune bashing, camel riding, sandboarding, and an optional quad bike ride for an unforgettable desert escape. Escape the hustle of Dubai and experience the calm of the surrounding desert. To satisfy your sense of adventure, choose from a shared or private option and enjoy legendary Lahbab hospitality. Start your adventure with a convenient pickup at your hotel and drive out to the wilderness by forge. Journey to the remote desert area of Lahbab, approximately 50 kilometers from Dubai city center. Marvel at the silty red sand and towering dunes. Hop on a camel to get a short ride or perhaps choose the optional quad bike experience. Wade into the desert on board your Ford Land Cruiser as the vehicle slips and slides like a roller coaster across the dunes. Try your hand at sandboarding or just relax and take photos of the spectacular views of the sunset before being dropped off back at your hotel.